What's up, YouTubers? My name is Brennan. This is Super Nerd Hobbyist, and today we're going to be finishing our Mandalorian cosplay. All we got left is to print these hip guards, and then I'm going to be printing some of these bullets or ammo canisters that he has around his armor. So we're going to print both of those and then show you what it looks like after, and then also I'm going to show you some new accessories I got to complete the look. So let's slice and let's get to it. I want to show you some accessories I got from my Mandalorian cosplay. Of course, I got the hip plates that I 3D printed and painted. They came out pretty well. I'm going to figure out a way to either put that on my costume or put it on this belt that I bought. This belt is for mainly cosplay. I bought off at Amazon, and it comes with a couple of attachments. And it had this thing for vials in the front, so I 3D printed the Mandalorian's bullets that he puts into his rifle. I'm going to paint these silver, and this will be on the front chest plate. And then it came with some of these pouches. This has a big pouch that was supposed to be in the front. I just put it in the back. I'm going to put a battery pack in here that's going to power a voice changer that I'm gonna put in this pack, which I'll show you here in a minute. Then I have a little pouch for carrying all of the Mandalorian's money. And then I showed you guys this in a short, but I made the Mando gun and got a holster that you can make yourself out of leather, so I can attach that to the belt and make it look pretty good. And then this is something I bought for a costume last year. It's just some brown boots. It will complete everything else. And then I also bought this, which I'll put on here in a second and show you what it is. It's kind of like a cape slash scarf that will cover my neck and give that Mandalorian cape look, but this one's black instead of gray. So here, I'll show you. This is it. It's like a scarf that goes around that I can fiddle with, and then there's a cape underneath. When I put this on, I'm going to cape it over this side, and it will make it look like it's hiding all the straps and stuff to the front piece. So, and lastly, I wanted to show you my speaker system I have for the suit. This is a mic and audio speaker that's connected to a battery block, and then this will either run a mic through the helmet, which I'll have already installed right there, so when I speak into it, it'll speak, or I have a wireless remote that I can control and program certain noises that it makes or phrases from The Mandalorian. I already programmed some, so this is just a couple.
I'm a Mandalorian. Weapons are part of my religion. This is the way. The way of the Mandalore. Yes.
So I can program like yes, no, maybe, or whatever on each button, and I could press it multiple times and have some say different, or connect some of these, which can you put in the palm of your hand or glove, or individual ones for your fingers. That way all I gotta do is just press in the middle or the fingers that have those phrases, and it makes it seem like you're actually talking through the suit. Or like I said, just go use the mic, which I might do, and gives it a good realistic feel of like a Star Wars character talking to you. So
what's up, YouTubers? So this is my full suit. I have my speaker system in here, and it's connected to my helmet and my full armor together. And I also have Grogu in the back. So hopefully you guys like it. I think it looks really sick, and I love every bit of it, so hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and please like, subscribe, and follow for the next video. See you guys later. Peace.